Hello, 6th grade flute players. Okay, this is a video of me playing Island Paradise, but in this video, I'm just gonna talk through the different rhythms and different notes, practice them at a slow speed. And the next video I'm gonna post that says Island Paradise is going to be basically me playing the song beginning to end, okay? Has a lot of repeated stuff. It's really not that hard, but I just wanna make sure I get a chance to explain everything before you just jump in and try to play it. Okay, so the first thing to practice is the very first rhythm and notes we have right at the beginning. You're going to see you have those first 4 measures, and then you have them again at 5, and then you have them again a little bit later, and then if you look down at measure 55, you have them again. You have this rhythm a lot, okay? You get the idea. Before we jump in and play this, though, we got to check what kind of notes we need to play. We got to check that key signature. If you notice, 1 flat. Now, that's a problem because our A's are going to be 1 and 2. There is no A flat in this song. You never get to use this pinky, ever, in this song, okay? A, 1, 2. And of course, our right pinky. E's are going to be natural. We'll talk about those more in a second also. Remember, we love E flats, but this is E natural. That's an F add the middle, okay? So we'll have to worry about that one when we get to measure 15, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is this very first 4 measures. We're going to play it a couple times, a little bit slow, just to practice. We practiced this part before we got out for our lovely, wonderful break we're having here. You have F, 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 G, A, okay? That's that first measure, okay? It's F, 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 F. That 4th F is the long one. If you notice, there's a little swoopy tie thing. Remember that just ties? They add notes together. So that 4th F is not just a half beat long like the 3 before it. It's actually 1 whole beat. That's why it's long. So F, 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 G, A, B, A, G. This part's really easy. Try the first 2 measures with me nice and slow. Ready? Beginning, first 2 measures, and... I'm gonna play that again, nice and slow. Ready? Here we go. Cool. So that's that lovely rhythm we have. We have that again at 5. It happens a bunch of other times, okay? Measure 3, we have G, 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 B, A, G. So 3 G's, and the B is long again because it's the tied note. G, 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 B, A, G, F, okay? Here again, 1 and 2, and... Anytime you have that and stuff, that's what gives this Latin kind of sound to it. G, 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 B, A, G, F. So try that with me. This is measure 3 and measure 4. Ready? 3 G's go. My B flat didn't work very well. That's what happens when you have a super roll of flute. So let me try that again. Measure 3 and 4. Ready and go. Okay? That's that first little chunk we need, okay? I would practice that a couple of times just on its own. Then you can play at measure 5 because it's just playing that over and over, okay? Same thing, 55. It's just playing that over and over. Now, if you jump and look ahead at 15, okay? Here's where we need our E natural, okay? You have F, 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 and by the way, that 3rd F is longer because of that tie, okay? So it's 1, 2, and E, D, okay? So it's F, 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 E natural, D. And the problem with the D is you gotta get that first finger up. So I'm gonna play just that measure 15. Watch my fingers, play along with me if you can. Try that one more time, measure 15. F, 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 add 1 finger. Do not play E flat. You do not get to play E flat. Never in this song. Here's measure 15 again, ready, and... Good news is you play that there, and you play that in measure 16. You're going to play that in just a couple more measures too. So I'm going to play measure 15 and measure 16 back to back now. Ready? 15 and 16. If you notice, it was the same thing twice. The 3rd measure is F, 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 G, A. It's the same rhythm. It's just going to go up instead of going down. So the 3rd measure, this is 15, 16, measure 17. So try that measure 17 again. Ready? 17. Okay. Then the next measure that's kind of different that we need is measure, let's see, 22, 21. If you go down 1 line from 15, you'll see F, F, B, A, G, F. This is kind of taking the what we had up at the top, that beginning rhythm, and it's taking the rhythm we had at 15 and kind of like mushing the notes plus the rhythm together. So it's kind of a combination of the two. So this is the 1, 2, 3, fourth line down. The first measure of the fourth line goes. I'll do that again. Ready? Cool. 23 is the beginning, so we've already done that. We're good there. Measure 39 looks really intimidating. It is not, okay? We've seen these rhythms before, the little eighth rest things. We had them way back when we did 25 or 624, guys, okay? All you have to know is that you've got that F, and then you've got that eighth rest, okay? Remember, one of the things to make sure that you take the right amount of time is you can like stomp your foot, F, and then kind of think of a little space in there, or some people like to breathe, F, F, A, C, okay? You can do those kinds of things. So this rhythm at 39, you've got the, and by the way, what is that high note up there? That third and the fourth note. F, F, A, hopefully you said C, right? 2 spaces above the staff. So we've got F, F, A, C, B, B, A, G. Try that with me. Here's measure 39. It's actually really catchy when you get used to it. So try 39. And the B, A, G at the end is just adding, like, it's just like we had earlier, B, A, G. You've had that a tons of times already in this song, okay? I'll do that one more time, 39. Now, the only other part in this song that's different, the only other thing to work on is the next little chunk, G, G, C, 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 A, G, F. Here's measure, let's see, this would be 41, okay? Start with 2 G's followed by a C. Basically, on those eighth rests, remember to put some space, okay? Make the notes around it short because they're eighth notes, okay? And you'll be fine on that. So I'm going to play 41 and 42 one more time. Cool. Now, that's everything you need to play this song. We've already worked on this stuff, but that's how everything kind of sounds just in little chunks. The next video will be me playing all of Island Paradise, so you can practice actually the little chunks we just did in the context of the actual song. So, happy practicing, flutes.